To send money from Japan to India, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to choose a money transfer service that operates in both Japan and India. Some popular options include banks, online money transfer services, and currency exchange offices. Next, you will need to gather the necessary information and documents. This typically includes your own identification, such as a passport or residence card, as well as the recipient's name, address, and bank account information in India. Once you have chosen a service and gathered the necessary information, you can initiate the transfer. This usually involves logging into your account, selecting the transfer amount and destination, and confirming the transaction details. The transfer service will then convert your Japanese yen to Indian rupees and deposit the funds into the recipient's bank account. The exchange rate and transfer fee will vary depending on the service you use, so it is essential to compare rates and fees before making a transfer. Some popular money transfer services for sending money from Japan to India include Japan Post Bank, Seven Bank, and online services like TransferWise and Payoneer. These services often offer competitive exchange rates and lower fees compared to traditional banks. When sending money from Japan to India, it is also important to consider the transfer speed and security. Some services offer instant transfers, while others may take several days to complete. Additionally, make sure to use a reputable and licensed service to ensure the security of your transaction. In India, the recipient can receive the funds in their bank account, or in some cases, they can pick up the cash at a designated location. The recipient will typically need to provide identification and the transfer reference number to receive the funds. Overall, sending money from Japan to India can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps and choose a reputable transfer service. By comparing rates and fees, considering transfer speed and security, and using a licensed service, you can ensure a safe and efficient transfer of funds.